cat hugs its owner's leg. Its eyes are sparkling. Its gestures are gentle, as if it wants to hold on to its loving care.
Stop it.
So this is Sam Wellington with a Prince
Stop. Stop.
The cat held a carrot in its mouth, walking proudly, looking like it had just achieved a great victory. The cat sat still, his round eyes looking at his owner cooking, his expression mixed with curiosity and anticipation, as if hoping for a delicious reward. The cat bowed his head to drink water from a small bowl. His ears fluttered. Each sip of water was gently slurped, looking so cute and obedient. The cat enthusiastically put his head into the bag, rummaging around, his ears pricked up in concentration, like a detective hunting for treasure. The handheld fan turned on. The wind blew loudly, startling the cat and running away like lightning, leaving a humorous scene.
Good job.
The grey cat slowly approached the white cat, gently rubbed its head and meowed softly, as if trying to win the other person's heart. The naughty cat pulled off the toilet paper roll. The paper fell all over the floor. His eyes were innocent, as if he had done nothing wrong.
Fun thing about my brother's cats is you have to play with these things, like all the time. Don't look at my feet, that's weird.
The little cat is close, drinking milk passionately, its tiny feet scratching lightly, looking so adorable and warm, like a little angel. The cat stands with both legs on the sofa, eyes half closed, looking both strange and indescribably adorable. The dog enthusiastically turned the chair, accidentally startling the sleeping cat awake, his face bewildered and full of surprise. The three cats bit each other and chased each other wildly, each showing fierceness, creating a scene that was both hilarious and full of controversy. The cat lies on its back, waving its paws affectionately, with sweet eyes as if it wants to be cuddled, looking so adorable and cute. The white cat and the brown cat growled, hissed with tension, their eyes sharp, preparing for an unforgiving confrontation. hugged the white cat, both curled up together, sleeping soundly in their warm arms, looking so sweet and peaceful. The kitten sucks milk from its mother's breast. In small sips, eyes half closed. How pitiful and adorable it looks. The pudgy cat walks slowly. Each step seems laborious but extremely cute, making everyone who sees it laugh. The cat stands firmly on the clothes hanger, tail crossed, mischievous eyes as if he feels like he is the king of this space. The cat quickly climbed up the wall, its claws firmly grasping every crevice, looking like a strong climber, full of confidence. The two cats were startled. Their eyes widened as they looked at the approaching vacuum cleaner, and immediately the cat lies face down, swinging its tail innocently, with a peaceful expression as if enjoying a wonderful moment of relaxation. The cat stands among the chickens, eyes attentively looking around like a stranger in the crowd, so adorable and funny. The fat cat lies down, eyes half closed, limbs stretched out, looking like a... The cat licks its own paw, moving slowly and meticulously, looking both clean and adorable as if performing a self-care ritual.
90%含锃亮。
The cat sat quietly, his eyes looking into the distance, his expression thoughtful as if he was contemplating something very important in his small world. The cat's face is down, his ears are down, his eyes are sad as if he's angry or dissatisfied with something. He looks so pitiful and funny. The cat skillfully uses his paw to pour water into the bowl, expressing himself confidently like an expert, making everyone who sees him laugh. The mischievous cat uses his paw to pull the curtain. The curtain vibrates. His eyes are full of curiosity as if he is discovering something interesting.